Okay, here I am at my Google homepage, and I'm going to create a new Google site, not a Google document. So normally I would come down here to More, and I would see Documents, which in this case you would think Sites would be under Documents, but it's not. I have to go to Even More, which is here, and then I'm going to scroll down to Sites, and I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now when I click that, I'll come to this page here, and I will type in my name for my site, which may or may not be valid. We'll find out in a second. And then I'm asked to enter this code here to make sure to prove that I'm a human being and not a machine. I have one additional option, and this is my themes, and I'm just going to select a very quick theme. I'm going to choose branches because it's right there on my left and easy to choose, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to enter this code, and hopefully it's going to work. It never does on the first try, unfortunately. Try this one and see if it works. And it did. Okay, so now I have created a site with a template, and it's rather nice looking. So what's next? Next is to begin editing the site, and I'll do that right here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Edit Page, and I am now editing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert our quiz, or embed our quiz, into this website here. So I'm going to go ahead and click it, and I'm going to come down here one more time. I'm going to come down here to Spreadsheet Form. As you recall, when I was talking about spreadsheets before, and I'd mentioned that originally you did this through forms, this has changed, but the nomenclature hasn't. It is Spreadsheet Form that you're going to want to go to, and boom, we're going to click it. And actually, see, it's already given me the quiz, so I could either A, paste in the embed code, or B, type in the spreadsheet quiz. I'm just going to choose one of these quizzes that I created, this one, and I'm going to go ahead and select it. And there, I've selected it. Now what I want to do that's a little bit different here is you'll see height 600 pixels, okay, fine. Width 400 pixels, leave empty for 100% width. I am going to take this and leave it empty like this, because if I don't, otherwise my quiz will wind up wrapping and it'll sort of ruin the appearance of it. So I've done that, and I'm going to go ahead and click Save, and boom, there we have it. Well, that doesn't look so good, does it? I'll go ahead and save this, and we'll get a better sense of, there it is. This is the quiz that I created for you, and now you can see it is embedded into a website. So very quickly I have created a quiz embedded in a website. Now if I wanted to do some other things, say for example change the theme, I could come down here to More, come down to Manage Site, and then I can come down here to Themes, and once again I could choose a different theme, choose something more ominous like Slate, and say Save, and it should save it in just a second. They've been saved. Now come back to my website quiz, and boom, you see I have a different look, and so let's once again do that. I'll just go to More. I'm going to go down to Manage My Site. Once again, go to Themes, and we'll go back to our original, which was very calming. I'll go ahead and save it, and it says they've been saved. You can see clearly right there, and ta-da, we're done. So like I said earlier in the announcement, this is not difficult, and you can see pretty much by what I've done, this is not difficult. So now the next thing to do is, of course, I'm going to share this with you, and I'll just go ahead and copy this text out of here, and then I'll paste it into an announcement for you. Alright, so that ought to do it. If you have any questions, of course, feel free to call me, and thanks.